Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a science experiment. All you need is 2 glass of water, 2 lemon and salt. First step, put the lemon into the glass of water. Second step, pour 2 tablespoons of salt into the second glass of water and stir it until it dissolves. Third step, put the second lemon into the salt water. Now, what happened here? Come, let me show you. You see, when you put the first lemon into the plain water, it drowns, and when you put the second lemon into the salt water, it floats.